What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? Good morning, soil family. So today is another episode of self-healing because we know it is most definitely real. Colds, viruses, the flu, upper respiratory infection, stomach viruses, all these things that are running rampant right now. The holidays, we just got through the holidays, so Happy New Year. But people gather or are inside more now because of the weather. Well, with people being inside now, we have germs spreading more. And here all this crazy is coming up. So there are a few things you can do to protect yourself. First of all, I'm not a doctor and I cannot give medical advice, but I am going to share with y'all a couple tips to help keep your immune system strong or help you get past any ailments that you may be dealing with. Now, I do ask you to do your own research because that's important. So, and I'm going to do this kind of fast. But one thing you should keep on hand, we keep on hand all the time, is Propolis. Propolis spray is just what the bees use to seal and protect their hives. We do harvest some of the propolis and make a spray or a tincture with it or drops with it, and we just drop a few drops in the mouth that help protect us. So definitely look into a propolis spray or propolis tincture drops. Elderberry. Elderberry is very important. I haven't strained my elderberry. I don't make syrup because I don't care for the shelf life of it, but I love the tincture. So an elderberry tincture is good to have. We have dried elderberry and an elderberry tincture. We do grow elderberry. So you want to keep elderberry and you want to take this every day, especially right now. This has a longer shelf life than the syrup. That's why we prefer that. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is your best antibiotic ever. You want to have oregano oil around. Don't wait until you need it to decide to get it or make it. Have that stuff. This is your first aid kit. We keep this in our apothecary along with a whole bunch of other things, but definitely need these around this time of the year. This is your world's best antibiotic, and it's 2 ingredients: oregano, which you can grow, and extra virgin olive oil, and I haven't strained that either. We also have a fire cider. I did drop a video today on how to make your own fire cider again, and I do put my elderberry tincture in here. I do put things like cayenne tincture in here, but when it comes to fire cider, it's no wrong way to do that. A few other things you want to do is you want to stay active. Most definitely keep moving, keep that immune system strong. You want to eat a clean diet. Be careful with the store. They like playing with us here in the United States. Definitely be careful. If you can grow and raise your own, do that. Support a local farmer. Very important. These labels lie. And be as stress-free as you can. Stress weakens the immune system. We want to keep the immune system strong. Rest. You have to rest. That is when the body heals itself. Whether you feel something going on or not, we have to get a certain amount of rest every day to function well. And make sure you are properly hydrated. We drink a lot of water, and we add Redmond real salt to that. As simple as that. Those are just a few things you can do to ward off illness. Stay strong so you don't get sick or get past something that you may be going through. All these things are safe for kids. I would be careful with the tinctures with kids, especially under the age of 2. But you can always make tinctures with vegetable glycerin or olive oil, and we'll talk about that soon because we got a whole series coming up where every day we will talk about how to make something different or the different in these elixirs and oils and tinctures and all that good stuff. So make sure you share this out. It can help somebody, but definitely share it out because we need to get the word out of how we can heal ourselves naturally because God already provided us with everything we need to survive and be healthy. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day, and don't let nobody steal your joy. My kids said, see y'all tomorrow.